Did you know that downstream operations transform crude oil into over 6,000 different products we use daily, from the fuel in our cars to the plastics in our smartphones? Imagine understanding the intricate global system that powers modern civilization. Organizations in the downstream oil and gas sector face increasingly complex operational challenges. Companies struggle with maintaining safety standards, optimizing supply chains, managing technological disruptions, and navigating increasingly stringent environmental regulations. The global nature of operations creates additional layers of complexity, from geopolitical risks to rapidly changing market dynamics. Individual professionals encounter significant barriers to understanding the comprehensive ecosystem of downstream operations. They struggle to integrate technical knowledge with strategic management, balance operational efficiency with safety requirements, and adapt to rapidly evolving technological and market landscapes. Teams find themselves overwhelmed by the intricate global networks that define modern downstream operations. This certification program delivers a comprehensive, strategic approach to global downstream oil and gas operations. Participants will gain advanced insights into refinery management, supply chain optimization, risk mitigation, and advanced operational technologies. The course provides a holistic view of downstream operations, equipping professionals with the skills to navigate complex global challenges and drive operational excellence. Organizations can expect transformative outcomes, including enhanced operational efficiency, improved safety standards, and more adaptive approaches to global market challenges. Participants will develop a nuanced understanding of global downstream operations, advanced technological integration strategies, and innovative management techniques. The program creates leaders who can effectively manage the complex, interconnected world of global oil and gas downstream operations. Imagine being the professional who understands the intricate global systems that power our world. Imagine having the strategic insight to drive operational excellence in one of the most complex industries on the planet. Don't let complexity hold you back from mastering this critical field. Enroll now and transform your understanding of global downstream operations. Your journey to becoming an industry leader starts here. Seize your opportunity to make a difference.